Have you ever dreamed of becoming a nurse and making a difference in people's lives? Georgia is the perfect place to turn that dream into reality. Studying nursing in Georgia offers modern universities, state of the art labs, and clinical practice in top hospitals. Our programs are internationally recognized, taught in English, and designed to prepare you for a successful global healthcare career. As a student in Georgia, you'll gain hands-on experience working alongside doctors and healthcare professionals, building confidence and skills valued worldwide. Georgia offers the ideal balance of high-quality education and affordable costs, with lower tuition fees than many European countries and a student-friendly cost of living. You'll enjoy a safe, welcoming environment rich in culture and warm hospitality, making you feel at home from day one. Education Hub Georgia is here to guide you through every step, from choosing the right university and securing your admission and visa to arranging accommodation, health insurance, and ongoing support. We're with you all the way so you can focus on your studies and your future. Nursing is more than a profession, it's a calling. If you're ready to take the first step, apply today with Education Hub Georgia. Your journey to becoming a skilled nurse starts here in Georgia.